What's up guys, Phil here from the Sydney Trains channel. I'm doing this video in request for Lachlan Walsh. I'm at Circular Quay. There's an M10 on platform 1 is a Homebush service. Waratah just left platform 2 on a Liverpool via Bankstown service. The next train on platform 2 is Revesby service in 1 minute. M10 and M14 just departing Circular Quay. Waratah A41 arriving on platform 2, Revesby via airport service.
First stop St James, then Museum, Central, Green Square, Mascot, Domestic Airport, International Airport, Circular Quay to Lella, and then all stations to Revesby.
For those who haven't seen the new colour station signs, there's one. Also on the seats. The next train on platform 2 is Lidcombe via Bankstown service. The next train on platform 1 is the Central service. That Central service on platform 1 is an S set. It's becoming a rare sight. Not many S sets roaming around, especially at Hornsby. The first 4 cars are untargeted, so there's no target plate, so I can't tell you the set number. Sorry. The leading carriage is C3899. There may be a target plate on the 4th car. Yes, it is S51. And S41. K-set arriving on platform 2, K65. Lidcombe via Bankstown service.
First stop St James, then Museum, Central, St Peter's, Sydney, then all stations to Bankstown, then
M set on platform 1. The rear half of the K set is K66. M set now departing platform 1.
Goes to Macarthur via airport. First stop St James.
I'm not sure where it's going. Leading 4 cars is M31. Rear 4 cars, M21. A35 arriving here on platform 2. Central service. St James Museum and Central only.
Goes to Central. First stop St James, then Museum and Central.
Waratah A67 arriving on platform 1, Homebush via Strathfield service. A67's departing, A25 arriving on platform 2. Revesby via airport service.
Train on platform 2 goes to Revesby via airport. First stop St James, then Museum, Central, Green Square, Mascot, Domestic Airport, International Airport, Walleye Creek, Torella, and then all stations to Revesby.
A60 departing platform 2. Sorry, correction, platform 1. Trains need to be a bit more secure, there's too much graffiti. Way too much graffiti. S146 arriving onto platform 2. This set is running off sector. S141 is the rear set. This is a Hornsby set running to Liverpool via Bankstown.
First stop St James, then Museum, Central, Redfern, Erskineville, St Peters, Sydenham, then all stations to Bankstown, and then all stations. You can now use a mobile card to travel to the city, Strathfield, Epping,
S146 and S141 departing Circular Quay, platform 2 for a Liverpool via Bankstown service. Waratah arriving on platform 1, Glenfield via Granville service. It's A12. The next train to arrive on platform 2 is Campbelltown via airport service, due in 2 minutes. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next vlog.